Impediments of good reasoning. Impediment means it's a obstruction, hindrance in doing something, obstacle or limitation. So what is the limitations of good reasoning? In logic, logicians expect to have a sound argument. Sound means there is a no obstruction. An argument which is factually correct and logically valid is called a sound argument. But in logical reasoning, inaccuracy is an argument, is an important impediment, obstruction to the good reasoning. So there are the reasons. First is the lack of adequate vocabulary. If vocabulary is not enough, then we cannot be able to explain our feelings to other. So it's a lack of adequate vocabulary. In order to effectively analyze argument, we need a good vocabulary, and if the person sitting in front of you don't have that much knowledge or don't have that much vocabulary, then he will not understand what the person is saying. So it's the matter of adequate vocabulary, lack of adequate vocabulary. Sometimes we realize that there is something wrong in a logical argument, but it cannot express it in a proper words because of lack of adequate vocabulary. Hence, lack of adequate vocabulary is an impediment in a good reasoning. Next is desire to be tolerant and open minded. Means sometimes we think that if we explain something to anybody, then the person will take it in a wrong side, or he will think that we are teaching him. So we become a tolerant and open minded, and in this way we don't tell him the mistakes. Sometimes we know that there is something wrong in a logical argument and we know how to express it in a proper words, then also we don't express it because of our desire to be tolerant and open minded. Though it is not a big deal in a daily conversations, however it is an impediment in a good reasoning. Third is misunderstanding point of argument analysis. Sometimes we don't understand the hidden thought in the argument and we are unable to read between the lines in an argument. Hence, our response to that particular argument is illogical because we don't know the meaning of that argument. Hence, misunderstanding the point of the argument analysis is an impediment in a good reasoning. Means a sentence or a word has two or three meaning, and if from that we take the another meaning, then our response will be also the different to that argument. So this is the meaning of the misunderstanding point of the argument analysis. Then the misconceptions and prejudice. Sometimes we understand whether an argument is logically correct or not. However, due to our political alignments, misconception, prejudice, bias, and other things, we willingly ignore a particular argument. Means we are having a misconception or a basic conceptions about a certain things that we don't try to understand or we don't try to think from the another way. Hence, the misconceptions and prejudice are an important impediment in a good logical reasoning. Next is the use of argument stopper. Argument stopper means there are the obstructions or the opponent is doing the obstruction to stop your argument. This impediment is mainly used in debates when a person is losing an argument in a debate. He uses argument stoppers in order to gain momentum or distract the person making an argument. This is a very important hurdle to the logical discussion.